How to reset Amazon password if you forgot it. So if you want to reset or recover your Amazon password, then first you need to open up your Amazon application. You can simply tap and open up your Amazon application that you would like to reset. Once you've opened, now here you need to go for sign in, already a customer, and enter your email or phone number. So enter the email that you would like to log in and tap on continue. And here you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, go for forgot password, which is on the right side. And here you need to enter the email and phone number in which you would like to change the password. Tap on continue and enter the OTP which the Amazon has sent to the mobile number. Once you tap on continue, you will get the OTP to the email address which you have just provided. So enter the OTP and tap on continue. But if you didn't receive the OTP, tap on resend OTP and you will again receive the code. And here you need to enter your new password. So make sure your password must be at least 6 characters, and you should use a combination of numbers, letters, and symbols. And you should not use the previous password that you have used before. And do not use the dictionary words like your name, email address, mobile number. So do not use the multiple passwords or same passwords for multiple online accounts. Enter the password, and if you want to add the mobile number, you can add, or you can just simply skip. So that's it. That's how you can reset your Amazon password if you forgot it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.